Alright, so in the past I've tried to make motorcycles with unique livery such as the Yamakati. So this time around I looked at different competitors. There's Red Bull, Monster. It's pretty common and I started to get curious. I wanted to go for something new, quote unquote something different, and here it is. This is actually super cool because I used AI to come up with the concept, let's call it the pre-layout or even a teaser in a way, right? So I use an AI program. I'm not going to tell you which. However, any AI could probably do this, but what I did was I got the base picture of my bike and I asked AI to turn it into a red base and then add the Coca-Cola theme. What's also very impressive about the AI is that I posted a couple of my older pictures or old pictures where I'm riding the Aprilia in my original livery that I've designed, and I asked it to put on the concepted livery as if I'm riding the bike, and here's what it looks like. It's pretty amazing. So in the past I used basic paint art editing programs, and I mean it did the work, it got the job done. I was able to come up with a concept even back in the days. However, this time around I was lazy. I just didn't want to click on things click on parts, let's call it. And yeah, so I relied on AI because technology. So I relied on AI this time to come up with this concept. It actually worked out because I was able to use it on a live photo, and also I was able to apply it and see how it would look as if I actually wrote it with the concepted livery. Alright, so the next step for me is deciding on how I'm going to apply it and make it work. So with the Yamakati, it was a vinyl wrap. It was super easy because I didn't do it. I paid a buddy to do it. However, for this one, the Aprilia, I am contemplating whether to paint it myself or wrap it myself. Well, that is the start of the series. Come along and I will share the progress as we go. Chew.